Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2018 Fontaine 48 by 102 steel wood, 80,000 GVW, has a universal mounting kit on the back, folks. This unit is in excellent condition. The wood deck has been replaced. The underside is extremely clean. Beautiful unit, turbo blasted, primed, repainted. Excellent shape. Kingpin plate looks almost brand new. As we come down the passenger side, as you can see how clean this unit is underneath. Used aluminum toolbox, large one, nice unit, brand new rubber, brakes and drums, refurb steel outer rim, universal mounting kit, Moffett, Princeton, Load Mac, many other units that can be mounted on there. Just let us know what you have. We can make alterations for you. You can take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. As I said, new rubber all the way around, refurb steel outer rim, brand new straps, refurbed ratchets. This unit's extremely clean underneath. As you can see, there is no rust whatsoever. This is a 2018 Fontaine 80,000 GVW with a universal mounting kit. You can take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Take a look at our trucks, trailers, piggyback forklifts available for sale. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. More than happy to answer any questions you might have.